Have you guys ever wanted to learn how to create a Hollywood glam looking blow dry? Well, in today's video, I'm gonna be breaking it down into a few easy steps that are gonna allow you to do something at home or in the salon, wherever you're at. So stay tuned. This is a two-part video. Part one is coming up. So in this two-part series, there's one thing I want you guys to focus on. That one thing is going to be root direction. Now on this particular mannequin head, I'm gonna be blow drying the root back. And on the second part of the video, I'm gonna be blow drying it forward. And you're gonna see how those two things will vastly affect your outcome of a salon, glam, Hollywood looking blow dry. And we're gonna be using a combination of a few different brushes, and I'm gonna show you that combination as well as we get into it. So let's start blow drying. Okay guys, there's a few different things I really want you to look at. Number one, the root direction. As I started to blow dry, I really focused on pushing the root all the way back. And then as I refined this, I used a round brush over here on this side, and then I used a Mason Pearson style brush over through here. And that's where the technique gets more rounded and it has more curl, and this looks more like the curve of the moon, so it's actually a little bit straighter. But the thing I really want you to focus on is the root direction, okay? As you can start to see, if you wanted to open up somebody's face, this would be an absolutely perfect kind of style to do on them. So the root direction is the key here. Now on my part two, you're gonna see how we're gonna change the root direction. We're gonna do the same technique as far as brushes on the end, but that in itself, you'll see how it completely just changes that, which can be super awesome. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed what I had to share with you guys today. If you guys found value in today's video, make sure and like it, subscribe, share it with somebody. I'll see you guys in part two. Thank you so much for watching, guys.